Hi everyone, my name is Shashwato and this is Code Basics Resume Project 3 Telecom domain. So let's get started. So this is the problem statement. Atlico is one of the leading telecom providers in India and it launched its 5G plans in May 2022, and after that its revenue went down and the user base, total number of active users also went down. The amount of unsubscribed users, it went up. So the management is keen to compare the performance between these periods. So these periods meaning period before 5G and period after 5G, and get insights that would enable them to make informed decisions. And they also wondered if they can optimize their internet plans to get more active users. So this is the sort of predicament they're in, and that's where I come in as a data analyst. So let's see what I did. So this is the report that I made. It has three parts: revenue, user, and market and plan analysis. Let's start with the revenue analysis. So these are the KPIs. The total revenue is about 3187 crore, and you can see definitely the revenue has decreased after 5G. The average revenue has also decreased after 5G. If you can see in the graph that you can see the dip after the launch of 5G, although it picked up after that, then it again dipped in August and September. You can see the dip over here. By city, Mumbai tops the list, followed by Delhi and Kolkata, and Raipur is at the bottom. For average revenue also, Mumbai is at the top, Raipur at the bottom. For average revenue per users, Mumbai again at the top. The interesting thing over here is in Pune. If you can look over here in Pune, revenue before and after 5G, the revenue has decreased considerably. And also in Chennai, the revenue has decreased. So this is the bit of concerning. So let's move on to the user analysis. So these are the KPIs. Average revenue per user is 201, monthly active users 202 lakh, total unsubscribed users are about 126 lakh, and the churn rate is 7.78%. So we are losing about 7.78% of customers or users. So average revenue per user before and after 5G. So before 5G it was less, after 5G the revenue has increased. We'll talk about that later, why has it increased and why the users number of users are going down. Over here we have monthly users, active users before 5G it was more, after 5G it is less. So we have lost users and it is continuing to go down. You can see the downward trend over here. Total unsubscribed users before 5G it was less, but although it was going up before 5G, even before 5G it was going up, and after 5G although it went up and then it is going down. So it's good, the number of unsubscribed users are going down, it's good, but it's not good enough, so over here we have city and average revenue per users. The thing which is interesting is in Pune and in Chennai. So over here we have Chennai shows a negative trend, and in Pune we can see yes, over here it's Pune, it also shows a negative trend. So that is what concerned me. So monthly active users, Mumbai is topping the list like before, and monthly active users, most of them monthly active users have decreased. You can see mostly they have decreased, except some of them, like over here some of them it has increased, like two of them in Chennai and Pune, but mostly they have decreased. And the similar trends would be visible here also. See the total unsubscribed users after 5G, almost all of them has increased. So only in this, I think, Mumbai, uh, it was before 5G was 9.58, after 5G it was 8.38, so it's less, but most of them has increased number of unsubscribed users. So that is that. You can go to the market and pan analysis. So see, the market leaders PO about 35.42%, Brightel 27, followed by us. We come in at third, so we need to move up that ladder. By plans, P1 bringing us the highest amount of revenue. So even before 5G it was bringing us the highest amount. After 5G it has increased, but if you can focus on P3, P4, P5, and P6, you can see there is a decrease in amount of revenue they're bringing in. So you need to look into that. And by month, the market share has, it's been fluctuating, but it is showing a negative trend in August and September. So we do not want that. By planned revenue, again, Mumbai tops the list and Raipur is at the bottom. And for plans, we have the P1 plan. Even before 5G also, it was bringing us the most amount of revenue, and after 5G also it is bringing us a lot, so it tops the list, followed by P2 and P3. And a P10 is like the big combo pack of 6 GB per day is the least. So you don't judging by the value this pack provides, P10, you don't use it every day. You are not using a big combo pack every day. So if you're using it, if you're having like a work emergency, or in on the weekends, if you want to binge watch something, you're using this. So this is at the bottom. So this is sort of the report, and let's go to the insights. So these are the insights and recommendations that I have. The first issue is decreasing active users and increasing revenue suggests that plan prices have gone up, and that can be a reason for loss of users, and especially if the competitors are providing better pricing. So if the competitors are providing a better price, meaning a lower price for the same values or the same plans, then we are going to lose customers to them. So the recommendation is we need to re-evaluate pricing to appeal to a wide range of customers, especially people who do not need the full capabilities of 5G, and then benchmark pricing for better comparison with competition to identify gaps and rectify. So we need to understand where we are falling short, and then we need to bridge those gaps. The second issue is more revenue in top tier cities suggests that we have a better coverage there and not in tier 2 3 cities. So if you remember that Mumbai, Delhi and Kolkata were consistently at the top of the list, and Chandigarh and Raipur were at the bottom. So Chandigarh and Raipur are tier 2 cities. So maybe we need to ramp up our infrastructure. So that's the recommendation that I have. So the customers may be dissatisfied with the service and choose to switch to a provider with more reliable coverage. So accelerate our infrastructure development to expand 5G coverage to more regions. Additionally, clearly communicate coverage maps to manage expectations. So we need to make the customers understand that the differences between 4G and 5G are pretty solid, and only then they'll switch to 5G. If they're having network issues as is in 4G, they won't be able to, or they won't want to switch to 5G. And the last recommendation is conduct a customer survey for feedback on customer satisfaction, service and expectations. So all the potential issues we are talking about, to address those, I think we should do a customer survey, so that we have the data and the exact reasons why the customers are switching, so we can directly address those issues and rectify them. So these are the insights and recommendations that I had for this project. Do let me know if you liked it, and I'll see you in the next project.